have learned linear equations in two variables. All of you know linear equations means what? Degree of polynomial or degree of equation is 1. Then these equations are called as linear equations. Okay, when two variables are used in the equation, then these equations are called as linear equations in two variable. Okay, now in today's session we are going to draw a graph of solution of linear equation. Okay, or graph of the linear equation. In previous session we have learned how to find solutions of linear equation. The easiest way of find out solution of linear equation is what? Put x is equal to 0 in the equation, obtain the value of y. Put y is equal to 0 in the equation, obtain the value of x. Okay, so it is very easy to find solutions of linear equation. Now in today's session, let us look how to draw the graph for the equation. Yes, graph of a linear equation in two variable. Consider the equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. Now for the graph of this equation, we have to find some of the solutions of the equations. As you know that there are infinitely many solutions for the linear equations. Okay, so here we find some of them for the graph. First, I substitute x is equal to 0 in the given equation. Put x is equal to 0. What we get? Here if I substitute x is equal to 0 in this equation, we get 2y is equal to 6, which implies value of y is 3. Therefore, my first point is 0, 3. Whenever x is equal to 0, y is 3. If I put x is equal to 2, then x is equal to, that is 2 plus 2y is equal to 6, which will give you value of y is 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2, so y is 2. So next point is 2, 2. Put x is equal to 4. If I put x is equal to 4, in the same equation, 4 plus 2y is equal to 6, which will give you 6 minus 4 is 2 and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So value of y is 1 here. So I get the point here 4, 1. Last one, put x is equal to 6. If I substitute x is equal to 6, x plus 2y is equal to 6. Here I substitute value of x is 6. Now 6 and 6 are cancelled and we get the value of y is equal to 0. So my last point is 6, 0. When I put x is equal to 2, I get value of y is 2. When I put x is equal to 4, I get value of y is 1. When I put x is equal to 6, I get value of y is 0. In this way, I can find infinitely many solutions for this linear equation. Whichever value you like, substitute the value for x, obtain another value for y. Okay, so these are sufficient values for drawing the graph of this linear equation. So now I am going to plot these points on this plane. Now all of you know how to plot a point on a graph. We have already studied in our chapter number 3. Do you remember? Okay, so for this I have drawn here graph. Okay, or I have drawn here plane, coordinate geometry, or it is coordinate plane. Okay. So now I am going to plot these 4 points on this graph. First one is 0, 3. On x-axis 0, y-axis 3. So this point is 0, 3. Second one is 2, 2. On x-axis 2, y-axis it is also 2. So this one is 2, 2. Third one is 4, 1. On x-axis 4, on y-axis 1. So this point is 4, 1. And last one is 6, 0. On x-axis 6, y-axis 0. All of you know that when the y coordinate is 0, then the point is lies on the x-axis. When x coordinate is 0, then point is lies on the y-axis. We have learned this in our previous session. Okay. So now join these points. Join these 4 points by drawing a line passing through all the points. Okay, so this is the line representing the equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. This is the line which representing x plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay, that means what? Any point on this line, okay, any point on this line satisfies the equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay, any point on this line satisfies the equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. Or one can say a point lies on the line which satisfies the equation of the line. Yes, or every point on the line satisfies the equation means what? Coordinates of that line satisfies the equation. Okay, now suppose I take the point 2, negative 1. Okay, let us check 2, negative 1. Okay, this point does not lie on the line. If just we check this point satisfies the equation of line or not. The point 2, negative 1. Our equation is what? X plus 2y is equal to 6. Substitute x is equal to 2. 2 into y is equal to negative 1. That is 2 minus 2. That is 0. 0 is equal to 6. No. Therefore, the point 2, negative 1 does not satisfy the equation of the line. So, look at here. This point 2, negative 1. That means this point. This point does not lie on the line. Okay. Now, take any one of the point on the line. Suppose I take here the point 4. This point is 5, 1. Suppose if I take the point 5, 1 on this line. So check here, x is equal to 5 plus y is equal to 6. Okay, 5, 1 is not lines on the line this. Okay. That means you have to only remember that every point lies on the line satisfies the equation. Every point lies on the line satisfies the equation. So in this way we can draw or we can show the equation of line using the graph. Okay, x plus 2y is equal to 6 is the line for the line representing the equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay students, this is very easy. Okay, now next one, given point 1, 2, find the equation of line on which it lies. How many such equations are there? That means we have to find the point 1, 2 lies on which that means what? The point 1, 2 lies on some line and we have to find the equation of that line. Okay, suppose if I take the equation is x plus y is equal to 3. Let us check if this point is satisfied the equation of lies or not. Put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 in the equation. So that means 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 is equal to RHS. That means x plus y is equal to 3 is one of the lines satisfying the coordinates 1, 2. That means x plus y is equal to 3 is the line passing through the point 1, 2. Okay, since the point which satisfies the coordinates of point satisfies the equation of line, that point lies on the line. Okay, again next, this is first one. Second one is y is equal to 2x. Okay, y is equal to 2x. Let us check. Put here x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So value of y is 2 and x is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 is equal to 2. That means the y is equal to 2. X is the another equation of line which satisfies the coordinates of the point 1, 2. Okay, so in this way we can find infinitely many equations for this point. Okay, we can find infinitely many equations which satisfies the coordinate or which satisfies the point 1, 2. Okay students, it is very simple and very easy. Now the next example is draw the graph for x minus y is equal to 2. Again we have to do same thing. Okay, like this example. We have to find out or we have to draw x minus y is equal to 2. X minus y is equal to 2. The graph of the line x minus y is equal to 2. So finding the graph of the line, we need at least 2 solutions of that equation. How solutions of the line. Okay, so for this first I calculate solution of the line. So put x is equal to 0. If I put x is equal to 0 in this equation, we get negative y is equal to 2, which implies value of y is negative 2. That means my first point is 0 and negative 2. If I put y is equal to 0 in the same equation, we get x is equal to 2. So my second point is 2 and 0. So there are only 2 points are sufficient for drawing the graph of the line. Okay, so just I plot this point on this graph. First point is 0, negative 2. 0, negative 2. On x-axis 0, y-axis negative 2. So this point 0, negative 2. Second one is 2, 0. On x-axis 2, y-axis 0. 2, 0. Now join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. This line represents the equation x minus y is equal to 2. So whenever you have to draw the graph of the any of the straight line, just find out at least 2 solutions, plot this point on the plane and join the straight line. You get the graph of the required equation. Okay, so it is quite easy and quite simple. All of you understood how to draw the graph? Okay. Have a nice day.